welcome back to Sevagni, and I hope you guys are doing well. If your lower back feels tight or your hips feel heavy, then this practice is for you. It's going to be a gentle and grounding flow. No experience is needed and no props are needed. So let's get started. Lie down on your mat, taking support of your hand. Lie down on your back. Extend your legs out. Now, bend your right knee and bring your right knee closer to your chest. Hug your right leg and stay here. Keep breathing. Feel the stretch. We will stay here for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly release your leg, straighten your right leg. Now bend your left knee, bring your left knee closer to your chest, hug your left leg and relax. Keep breathing. We will stay here for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release your left leg. Straighten your left leg. Now fold both your knees and bring both your knees closer to your chest. Hug your legs and try to bring your knees more and more close to your chest. Feel your lower back touching the ground. Now slowly rock side to side. Feel your back getting a soft massage. Keep breathing and keep rocking yourself. Stay here. Slowly come back to center. Now try to hold your outer edge of your feet. If that feels difficult, you can hold your shin or your thigh, whatever is comfortable for you. And try to bring your knees closer to your armpits and stay here. Feel the stretch. Keep breathing and feel the stretch. We will stay here for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly join the soles of your feet together. This will be a reclined butterfly pose, and stay here. Keep breathing. Relax. You can close your eyes. Take deep breaths. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Slowly release your hands. Let your feet drop on your mat and let your knees drop on either side. Keep your palms on your belly. You can close your eyes. Keep breathing. Inhale slowly. Exhale slowly. Keep breathing at your own pace. Relax your whole body. Feel the movement of your belly moving up and down. Concentrate on your breathing. We will stay here for another 30 seconds. Slowly bring your knees back together. Now roll onto one side. Make a pillow of your right hand and roll onto your right side. Stay here. Now taking support of your hand, come back to sitting. Slowly open your eyes. You made it 21 days of showing up for yourself, your body, your breath, and it was an absolutely amazing journey. It wasn't about being perfect, it was about being present, and you did that. Thank you for sharing this journey with me, and keep coming back to these videos, even if it's just for a few minutes. You're always welcome here. And just in case you have missed my earlier videos, I'm going to link the whole playlist over here and you can start your journey at any time. If this helped you feel more grounded, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel so that we can share this space again. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.